Hello student. Today we are going to in this video learn what are the alkyl halides. What are the alkyl halides? The monohalogen derivative of the alkanes are called as the alkyl halide. Monohalogen derivative of alkanes are called alkyl halide. Reaction CH4, that is the methane, when react with chlorine, then we will get the CH3Cl plus of HCl. So this is a methyl chloride. General formula: R of X, where R is alkyl group and X is halogen group. Now its classification: alkyl halide broadly classified into three, that is depending upon the attachment of a carbon atom. So classification: alkyl halide first is primary alkyl halide. Second is secondary alkyl halide. Secondary alkyl halide, and third one is tertiary alkyl halide. Now the primary alkyl halide, that when halogen atom is bonded with primary carbon, it is called as the 1 degree. When the halogen atom is bonded with the primary carbon atom, then the halide is called primary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide. Example is CH3Cl. Now this is a primary carbon atom. Halogen atom is bonded with primary carbon, therefore it is a primary alkyl halide, that is the methyl chloride. So this is a 1 degree primary. Then secondary alkyl halide. Halogen atom is bonded with the secondary carbon. Halogen atom bonded with secondary carbon. This secondary carbon is a 2 degree. Then the halide is formed is called as the secondary degree. Now in this case the example is CH2 CH2. If the halogen atom is bonded with this second, therefore it is the 2 degree, and the alkyl halide is called as the secondary alkyl halide. Now in the tertiary alkyl halide, definition is the same, that halogen atom bonded with the tertiary carbon atom is, then the compound is formed is called as the tertiary alkyl halide. So in this case when halogen atom is bonded with tertiary carbon atom, that is 3rd degree, the compound is formed is called as the tertiary alkyl halide. Example CH2 CH2. Now here this carbon atom is a 3rd degree, and if that carbon atom, the halogen atom is replaced, then the compound is formed is called as the tertiary alkyl halide. So it is the tertiary butyl bromide. It is tertiary butyl bromide. And this is the ethylene chloride. So this topic is alkyl halide and its classification. Now we will stop here.